Good morning, student. Today I teach chapter 5 Children and Women in Sports. Now, student, the growth and development is important part of life. In children, physical activity plays an important role for maximum growth and development. Motor development activities help to attain full growth and development. Okay. Now, good posture plays an important role in our development. Many times our growth and development gets hindered by postural deformities, knock knee, flat foot, round shoulders, lordosis, kyphosis, bow leg and scoliosis. Okay. Now first we can see the motor development in children. This is the motor development in children. Like motor development is related to smooth and coordinated movement. Motor development refers to development of child bone, muscles, and ability to move around and manipulate their environment. Now we are the two types of motor development. First is gross motor development and fine motor development. Gross motor development is a big muscle develop their big muscle. Okay, they are involved there big muscles for the body. The muscles help them to stand, sit, run, jump, etc. Okay, this development they use for the muscles like properly stand, running, and jumping. Now next one is fine motor development. Fine motor development means it involves the development of small muscles, especially hands and finger muscles. Okay, in body. These muscles help them to do fine works like catching, throwing, picking, kicking, dancing, balancing, and skill perfection writing. Okay, this is the development for the those type of thing like catching, throwing, picking, kicking, dancing, and perfection for writing. Okay, now factors affecting motor development. Like so many factors affect for the motor development like parents and heredity. This is the first. Now next one is nutrition, immunization, environment, psychological feedback and motivation, disability and disease, regular practice, body weight, mental ability, okay, gender or sex difference, rest and relaxation, proper training, safety measures, interest and interest and attitude. Right. Next one is multi activities. These are the factor affecting for motor development. Like okay. Now next is the different stage of growth and development. Now children, the you can the children's groups so many different level for their growth and development. Like infancy, like this is the 0 to 2 years. Those time is to children do further the have the crawling, okay, and neck balancing, their control for the neck balancing, okay, like this type the 0 to 2 years. The activities, hands, arms, leg development, they are missing like some difference for the motor development. Okay, this time of development 0 to 2 year, the children for the crawling, sitting, proper sitting practice, okay, and holding their necks, coordination for the necks. Okay, this is the now after that Next is the early childhood. This is the 2 to 6 year. This time the student doing some work like some movements, can develop some motor skill, various movement, running, jumping and throwing. That time their movement for the so many different activities like running, jumping, throwing, okay, swim, okay. This is the like some basic dance step. Those time the development of the early childhood. Now next one is the middle childhood. Middle childhood means the period start the early childhood to continue till 10 years. After this stage, hand eye coordination develop, the motor skills are also practiced and perfected. The child at things stage becomes fond of playing and competing in various sports competition. Components of physical fitness are defined. Running become faster, jumping become higher, balance improves. Okay, this can do. They can do the different participate in various sports activities. Physical fitness, running become faster, jumping become higher, balance improves. Okay, is crucial stage to develop advanced motor skill through structured physical training programs. Here the structure the so many physical training programs. After that, next one is late childhood. Like this is the 11 to 12 years. Like this period start the middle childhood and continues till puberty or sexual maturation. In this stage, girls grow faster as compared to boys. There is no difference in physical abilities of boys and girls. They are equipped to master complex movement. This test must be laid on providing opportunities to develop the learned motor skill. Okay, this is the different stages of growth and development: infancy, early childhood, middle childhood, and late childhood. Okay, this is the growth or development. Now, posture. Next topic is the what is the posture, for advantage of posture and cases of posture. Okay, posture means so many deformity. Posture is the you can the posture is the specific body position. It may be static or dynamic, such as sitting, standing, laying, walking, running, reading. Okay, some different views of posture like physical educationists describe the posture. Posture is a tool of mechanical efficiency of body which causes minimum stress to muscles. Moreover, maximum output of physical efficiency can be attained. This is the physical educationist. Now, according to doctor says, posture is soundless of physiological balance of body, and according to actors, posture is tool to express emotion and attitude. Okay, this thing is the definition of posture. Okay, now advantages of posture. This is the good advantage of posture is so many advantage of the posture like attractive physical appearance, improves health status, physiological balance, lesser strain and pain over joints, improves social status, better functioning of body system, okay, improves aptitude, reduce postural deformities, better skill perfection, better selection of players, maximum physical efficiency, good body balance. This is the advantage of posture. Now, cases of posture. So, when good cases of posture like this, accident, disease, lack of nutritional diet, wrong postural habit, improper treatment, psychological stress, lack of sufficient strength, age factor, poor eyesight, and bad shoes or bad clothing. This is the cases of posture. Okay. Now, Next is the postural deformities. Like first is knock knee, flat foot, round shoulder, lordosis, kyphosis. Okay, this is deformities for the postural deformities. Knock knee, flat foot, round shoulders, lordosis, kyphosis, and scoliosis and bow legs. This is the so many postural deformities. Knock knee means first is knock knee. You can describe the knock knee. Is the in these postural deformities the legs are bent inward and knees strike each other while walking or running. These postural deformities, legs are bent inward inside and strike each other while walking and running. This type cases is the main cases of these deformities are rickets, deficiency of vitamin D, weak legs, obesity during childhood, and overweight, calcium deficiency, heavy weight. Okay, this is the cases for this thing. And cure for corrective measure for this thing, like you can do for the some asanas, the correct for their portion for the legs position. Okay, like Vishnu Vrikshasana, Akram Dharurasana. They are the cases of corrective measure for the this knock knee. Okay, and Padmasana. Triyasana you can do proper doing practice. The difference of the deformities for the cure. Now next in the is the flat foot. Next is the flat foot. Flat foot is an abnormal condition of foot in which the arch of the foot collapses with the entire sole of the foot coming into complete or near complete contact with the ground. Like this is the flat foot like this. When the proper feet is the in the ground. Okay, this is the flat foot. Okay, some cases for this thing. These cases, the main cases of flat foot are wearing flat slippers or shoes, improper shoes, poor quality shoes without sole curve, obesity and overweight. This is the cases. Now next is corrective measure, like the you can do Tadasana, walking on sand, regular running, good quality shoes, pressure over foot. Okay, writing with foot. You can do some exercise, like first is the Tadasana, walking on sand, regular running, good quality shoes, wearing good quality shoes, pressure over foot. You can do with the proper pressure over foot and writing with foot. This is the measure, corrective measure for the flat foot. Okay, student. Today I teach those postural deformity, and next period you can do for the next postural deformities, round shoulder, lordosis, kyphosis, and scoliosis and bow legs. Okay. After this, you can do for the women's participation in sports. It is the next topic is the women participation, sports participation of women in India. Okay, student. See you next period. Okay. Bye bye. See you next week. Bye.